Hi and a warm welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you some face yoga that you can do really easily when you're sat at your desk. So you want to just ground your feet flat on the floor, lengthen up through your spine. Imagine a string go from the top of the head up towards the ceiling, so really lengthening everything up. Relax your shoulders down and back, place your hands onto your abdomen and just focus on your breath for a moment. So just inhale through the nose, allow the abdomen to rise, exhale through the nose and just allow the abdomen to lower. Really grounding into this space, letting any stress that you may have felt throughout the rest of the day just start to gently fade away. Okay, so you want to make sure you've got clean hands, particularly if you have been touching phones or keyboards or laptops. So if you need to pause the video for a moment, wash your hands, you can do. And then when you're ready, I want you to just start to wake up your skin. So just tapping to start off with. And many of my techniques, particularly in my two books, Danielle Collins Face Yoga and the Face Yoga Journal, are up to 1 minute, but we're just going to do some of them a little bit quicker today. So this one in particular, just a little bit less than a minute, just tapping over, waking up the face and just bring the hands down. Okay, so one of the big things that we get at our desk is a lot of neck strain, and that neck strain then causes something called tech neck, which can often be lines at the front of the neck, it can be turkey neck, it can be fluid accumulation, which causes a double chin. So we want to lift and tone this whole area. We're going to turn our head to one side, tilt your head back, bring your lips together nice and gently, and bring the tip of the tongue up and down towards the roof of the mouth about a rate of 1 per second. And you want to feel it just underneath the chin here. When you've done 30, you're going to change sides now. Gently lifting up. This is such a good release for your shoulders and the back of your neck if you have been using your phone or your laptop a lot at your desk. Lips together, tip of the tongue come up and down. Good, and come all the way back. Then also at our desk, we often find we hold a lot of tension in the jaw. So let's release the jaw area. Let's use our fingers. So we're doing our index finger and our middle finger, and we're smoothing up the jaw. Now we're using just light to medium pressure here. You don't need to drag the skin. Now, if you've got clean skin and you've applied a little bit of something like the Fusion by Danielle Collins Pro Lift Moisturising Serum, you're going to get a gorgeous glide here. If you're doing this with makeup on, that's okay, just occasionally whilst you're at your desk, but ideally you want to be doing face yoga with a lovely clean face. So just doing a few more of those. Bring the hands gently down. Okay, so let's work around the cheek area. Let's do a lovely lifting technique now. So we're going to make a smile shape, but wrapping our lips around our teeth. And then just bring your 2 index fingers just either side of the nose. So you want to smooth any skin which may be creasing up here. And we're going to go from here and we're going to scoot backwards. And we're going to hold there now for a count of 15. Wonderful. Come gently back down now, and let's just wake up the eye area. So we use our eyes a lot at our desk. We can often get a little eye strain, so this eye yoga is fantastic. You're just going to place a hand onto the forehead. You're going to look up towards the ceiling as though you're looking at a clock at 12 o'clock, and we're going to go around the clock face, only moving the eyes, keeping the head and the rest of the face really still. So we're at 12, we're moving across to 1, 2, across to 3, 4, 5, down to 6, 7, 8, across to 9, 10, 11, back up to 12. Let's go in the other direction. 11, 10, cross to 9, 8, 7, down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back to 12. Focus on one point in front of you. Let your eyes go really wide here. Good, and close your eyes, gently relaxing. Okay, just opening up your eyes, let's just soften any little number 11 lines which may have been created here. So when we're really concentrating on our work, we can often really pull this area in. So we're just going to flick with our thumb here, and you can go slightly to diagonal, particularly if you've got any lines in that area. And don't worry if a little bit of redness or pinkness comes up there. That is absolutely fine as you're doing the technique. Breathing deeply in through the nose and out through the nose. Okay, just do this a little bit longer, about 10 seconds more now. Good. Okay, let's take 2 fingers and thumb. Let's pinch along our eyebrows nice and gently and lift off. Taking that again, gently pinching across and lift off. We hold so much tension in our eyebrow area, particularly when we're looking at screens for a long period of time. This is so lovely for releasing. It's also a really great natural lift for the eyebrows. One more, all the way across. Lovely. And then let's take our hands into fists and just smooth any creases in the forehead there, any lines that have been created through really concentrating, maybe you've been on Zoom or Skype calls and you've really just started to notice that you've been over raising the eyebrows a lot as you've been expressing. So this is a great way just to soften and iron out any lines. And also just know you can express more with your eyes as well and keep the forehead area really relaxed. It's like a natural Botox, and people always ask me whether I've had any Botox, and I never have had Botox or fillers. Just do these face yoga techniques every day. Okay, let's bring our hands gently down, ground our feet on the floor, take one more nice deep breath in and out. And you're all done. If you'd like more information about face yoga, you can head to faceyogaexpert.com. Lots of information on there about teacher training programs, my 10-day course, my books and my skincare. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.